Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create ParentPay account. First, you have to receive an activation letter. Your child's school will provide you with an activation letter containing a unique username and password. And after that, you will have to go to ParentPay website. Then you should go to Parent Login right here. Then click on Parent Login. And now once you get to this page, now you should enter the username and password that they provided you in the activation letter. Then after that, they will ask you to activate your account. Then you will be able to set up your own account. Once your activation details are accepted, you will be promoted to create your own username and password. Then you have to fill in your contract details, including an email address, which will be used for communications. And of course, you should agree to the terms and conditions. And you can also link additional accounts, but this is optional. And you may need this, especially if you have more than one child and you want to add it on the same ParentPay account. And after all these steps, you can now go and log in with your new credentials and add the payment method that you want. You can add debit or credit card and begin making payments for school meals, trips, or other expenses. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.